Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, saws, milling machines, and much more. Today I'm going to show you one of our favorite saws that come in here. This is a Hyd-Mech S20. This is a Series 2. This is a manual saw with a swivel head. It's a very nice heavy-duty saw. Has a 13 by 18 inch opening. You can do 13-inch rounds in there. And we'll go through a couple of options on the machine, show you how everything works. We'll swivel the head, show you the quick acting vise. It's got a nice outfeed roller table built into it, little spray wash system here, and of course coolant. We'll go ahead and start the machine. First thing you got to do with the manual saw is we have to raise the head. Semi-automatic saws will raise the head automatically and cut. It just will not feed. And an automatic saw will feed and cut, do everything in the process. So there's a few different options. We do carry all the different types of saws. So the first one here, we'll go ahead and start this up. We have it just as a nice straight cut right now. Everything's been set up. Now the vise here is a really nice quick vise. If you see right here, this handle closes at the last 1/4 of an inch to absolutely hold the piece. Otherwise, it's very easy to move in and out to your piece, butt it right up, close the vise, and start to cut. We'll go ahead and do that. Now here's the down feed selection. Now of course here's your down feed speeds. You don't want to go too fast, but you can go quicker to get to your piece. Now of course with different coolants, different blades, different materials, it's all going to give you a different quality of cut and of course the speed of the cut. We'll go ahead now and show you a swivel cut. All we do here is you loosen the swivel. And move it to whatever degree you'd like. There's a nice little degree ruler here. And right there is about 60 degrees. Put it locked into place, and we'll move our material up again. And we'll go ahead and start the saw. Again, we'll do the down feed. Down is quick. The middle selection is your feed, and you can see the speed starts and stops it. We'll put it on a medium speed here. That gave us a nice 60-degree cut. As you can see, it's very quick and easy to go from each cut, each angle. Just lift the head each time. Put it in the stop mode, and you can go ahead and move it around. The outfeed table is really nice here. Coolant system. Everything on this machine is ready to go. If you're interested in this saw, straight cutting saws, automatic, cold saws, any type of saw, we carry them all, new and used. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you. Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.